What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to be taking a Are You a Bandwagon quiz. This is about the Golden State Warriors. I don't even like them, so I can't say I'm a bandwagon. But if you want to try this quiz, it's in the link in the description below. First question is, we'll start simple. Name that Warrior. Jason Richardson. Yep, that's right. Next question. Which bridge is prominently featured in the Warriors logo? Golden Gate Bridge. No, that's wrong. Who or what was Run TMC? The nickname for the first Warriors to become All-Stars? It was... I know it was 3 different players. A high school. Okay. Leading scorer from 2000 to 2010. Jason Richardson. Okay. We Believe team. Baron Davis. Really? For David Lee in 2013, who is the most recent Warrior to appear in an All-Star game? Chris Paul. My gosh. If I liked the Warriors, that would be a bandwagon. 100, Wilt Chamberlain. Which player never scored a 1,000 points in a season as a Warrior? Never. Never heard of that guy, so I'm gonna... Oh, he has. What number did Rick Barry wear? I really don't know. Who launched a trash can into a wall near the Warriors' visitor locker room, leaving a hole he later autographed? Allen Iverson's a savage. So I'm going to say Allen Iverson then now. First title is the Golden State Warriors. 75. Yeah. Who's currently the highest paid player on the Warriors roster? Steph Curry. Oh, yeah, it is. This year it is. I don't know when this was made. Whom did the Warriors draft #1 overall in 1995 ahead of Kevin Garnett, Jerry Stackhouse, and others? Joe Smith. Yeah, I got that one right. So, that's it. I don't like the Warriors, so I'm not a bandwagon. I got 38%. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to try this on your own, link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.